خش رقصة يا أخي دوس دوس عندي خش فصلة يا أخي تفوز تفوز والله خش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحة خطبها نصيب.
Thank you, very sweet of all of you. Thank you. 13 मई 2017 को पहला इंडिया वॉइस फेस्ट होना था, जिसके लिए ऑडिटोरियम बुक हो चुका था, ऑडिटोरियम के पैसे भरे जा चुके थे, सब कुछ हो गया था. तो आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी कहानी बताऊंगा 1 मिनट में, जो इंडिया वॉइस फेस्ट की सफलता की नहीं बल्कि मेरी विफलता की कहानी है. क्योंकि while we are celebrating the success of India Voice Fest, thanks to all of you, I want to tell you that it all started with a major failure. 13th May 2017 was the day when the first India Voice Fest, like I said, was to be held. But then I developed cold feet. I had no idea how to get this going. I had 1 year with me from 2016 to 2017 to plan the entire event. But I had no idea how to do anything about organizing a voice industry event, because पिछले 50 साल में we have never had any one platform which brings together voice artists from all over the country, transcending all barriers of language, genre, और कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप उभरते हुए कलाकार हैं या आप एक दिग्गज हैं या महारथी हैं. तो साहब 2017 में दरअसल इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हुई थी, और उस एक फेलियर ने मुझे सिखाया कि यार बड़ा मुश्किल है ये करना. बट द ओनली थिंग आई विल गिव माई सेल्फ क्रेडिट फॉर इज दैट आई डिड नॉट गिव अप. एंड 2018 इज व्हेन वी हैड आवर फर्स्ट इंडिया वॉइस फेस्ट इन नवंबर. वो दिन है, आज का दिन है. आई थिंक एवरी ईयर वी ओनली ग्रोन स्ट्रॉन्गर एज अ कम्युनिटी, एंड टुडे thousands and thousands of people from all over the country are a part of this platform. But for me, the most beautiful thing about this platform is not the stalwarts who are a part of this. It is that young girl or young boy from that small town in the country of India who feels that he or she is a part of India Voice Fest. That one word is called inclusivity. India Voice Fest today belongs to everyone in the country. ये कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कितने मजे हुए कलाकार हैं या आपको ये काम आता भी है या नहीं. As long as you are a fan of the craft of voice acting, India Voice Fest belongs to you. This is the 8th year, and thank you. Thank you to everyone who is here and everyone who is going to watch this, people who are not here. Thank you to all of you. It has been one roller coaster of a journey. I cannot but thank my most amazing team, जिनकी वजह से ये हो पाता है. My best friend and my colleague and a part of my family, Kiran, who is also the event director of India Voice Fest. She is the absolute... So she is the steel that God has stopped making. The metal that she is made of, they've stopped making her that way. My family, everyone in my family who is the backbone of never letting me feel like I'm failing, because there have been so many times through this entire journey when I feel like giving up. But the love that I receive from my family and the passionate volunteers, the people who have become extended family, all of them who are here, all of them purely out of their passion, out of their love for what we are doing, ये सब हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. कईयों को आप जानते हैं और बाकियों से आप आज मिलेंगे. Thank you everyone, and thank you to all the seniors. Their blessings every year, you know, it's amazing how मेरी एक ही कमाई है कि मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ और सब आ जाते हैं. So thank you to everyone. Thank you to all the younger up and coming artists. I hope we never let you down. This platform will always be inclusive, will belong to everyone, and it's the 8th year. I think we've just gotten started. We have a long, long way to go. I hope this platform should far exceed all of us. This should far live beyond any of us. And yeah, that's about it. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.